Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best foam cannon is probably one of the most satisfying tools you can add to your car washing arsenal. It transforms ordinary car soap into a thick, clinging foam that gently lifts dirt and grime away from your car's paint. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of foam cannons designed for garden hoses, comparing different models, and helping you find the perfect one to achieve the professional-grade car wash at home. Number 5. Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6. Introducing the TORQ Foam Blaster 6 from Chemical Guys. This foam cannon is incredibly easy to use. It attaches directly to your garden hose, making car washing a breeze. This foam cannon features an adjustable dial. You can customize the suds levels to suit your cleaning needs, from a light rinse to a thick foam. It's perfect for any car wash kit. The thick suds encapsulate dirt and grime. This reduces swirl marks and scratches, providing maximum lubrication for a scratch-free wash on all exterior vehicle surfaces. It's the ideal car wash foam sprayer. No pressure washer is required. This foam gun easily attaches to your standard garden hose. It makes professional-grade foaming car washes simple, safe, and accessible to everyone. The TORQ Foam Blaster 6 makes car cleaning fast, easy, and fun for the entire family. This car wash hose attachment easily connects to any standard garden hose, no additional tools are needed. Built with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. The quick-release connectors and ergonomic design provide control, convenience, and fun every wash. What we like. This foam cannon is incredibly easy to set up and use. It produces thick suds that lift dirt and grime effectively. If you're looking for a simple, garden hose-compatible solution for a fun and effective car wash, this is the one for you. What people say. The foam cannon is easy to set up and use. The foam cannon produces a thick, rich foam that clings to the car's surface. The adjustable nozzle allows for different spray patterns. Number 4. Chemical Guys Snubby Pressure Washer Gun. This is the Snubby Pressure Washer Gun from Chemical Guys. It's designed for superior control and comfort while washing vehicles. This tool makes cleaning easier. The Snubby is compatible with most gas and electric pressure washers. It connects quickly to standard fittings for easy setup and use. You will find it very convenient. The short design makes it easier to maneuver around vehicles. It helps you clean tight spaces and reach difficult areas without strain. It is a great design. When paired with a foam cannon, it produces a thick layer of suds. This helps loosen dirt and protects paint from swirls during washing. It is a must-have. This pressure washer gun is constructed from durable, high-quality materials. It is built to withstand frequent use and demanding cleaning tasks. You can rely on it. This short-handle pressure washer gun is ideal for various cleaning needs. It's great for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. It is a versatile tool. What we like. This pressure washer gun offers superior control and comfort. It's built to withstand frequent use and high water pressure. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-maneuver option for your car detailing needs, consider this. What people say. The foam cannon is easy to use and produces a thick, rich foam. The adjustable nozzle allows for different spray patterns. It works great with a garden hose and is perfect for washing cars. Number 3. Foam King Foam Cannon for Pressure Washer. This foam cannon creates rich foam that lifts dirt and grime safely. Its advanced foaming technology ensures a swirl-free clean, which is safe for wax and sealant. It connects to your pressure washer using a 1/4 quick connector. It handles pressures from 500 to 4,200 psi, with a flow rate of 1.3 to 5.3 GPM, and a maximum water temperature of 140 F. The extra-wide bottleneck makes filling easy and prevents bottle wear. The durable thread lock ensures an airtight seal for thick suds and powerful foaming action, outlasting traditional designs. This car wash foam cannon features an adjustable air intake and vertical spray pattern. You can turn the dilution knob for perfect foam and adjust the lance from a wide fan to a narrow stream. We are passionate about providing our customers with the best car cleaning products. We stand 100% behind it. If you are not completely satisfied, reach out to us, and we will make it right. What we like. This foam cannon ensures a scratch-free wash with its advanced foaming technology. The wide neck bottle makes filling easy and prevents wear. If you like a car wash that is safe for wax and sealant, this is the one for you. What people say. The foam cannon is easy to use and produces a thick, rich foam. It has adjustable settings for foam thickness and spray pattern. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials. Number 2. Viking Professional Foam Cannon. This professional foam cannon is designed to create a thick, rich foam. It's perfect for cleaning your car, truck, motorcycle, or camper. This tool makes washing your vehicle easier and more effective. Remember, this foam cannon needs to be used with a gas or electric pressure washer. It combines high-pressure water with air and car wash soap. You may need an adapter if it doesn't fit your pressure washer. The adjustable spray pattern and angle allow for complete coverage of your vehicle. You can easily change the foam consistency from thin to thick. Just twist the soap dilution knob to adjust it. It's constructed with high-grade materials for durability and superior performance. The canister has a wide neck and base for easy filling. It's also impact-resistant, so it will last. For best results, rinse the foam cannon after each use. Fill the canister with clear water and run it until no foam remains. Allow all the pieces to air dry before storing it. What we like. This professional foam cannon delivers thick, cleansing foam. It features an adjustable spray pattern for complete coverage. If you are looking for a high-quality, durable option for your car detailing kit, you should consider this. What people say. This foam cannon produces crazy thick foam, that is an understatement. The adjustments of the fan pattern are great, you can even change the spray pattern from vertical to horizontal, that's a feature that you mainly see in more expensive brands. It produces thick, rich foam that clings perfectly, making car washes faster and more effective. Number 1. ESP Foam Gun Kit for Car Wash. This is the ultimate car wash solution. Made with durable materials, it includes everything you need for a spotless clean. It is designed to make washing your car easier than ever. This kit is perfect for all your car wash needs. It comes with car wash gloves and multiple connectors. The kit ensures a leak-proof and effective cleaning experience. With 6 adjustable modes, you can control the foam concentration. The wide coverage saves you time and makes cleaning a breeze. It helps you achieve the perfect clean. After washing with the gloves, use the adjustable nozzle to rinse. This leaves your car looking brand new. It's great for cars, motorcycles, and more. The quick connector easily attaches to standard garden hoses. You can quickly connect it without any complicated setup. If your hose is 3/4 foot thread American standard, you can also quickly connect the hose by using a wrench to unscrew the quick connector. The filter removes particles from the cleaning fluid and water. This prevents scratches on your car's paint. The handle valve is easy to use and has a metal clip to fix the water pressure. What we like. This car wash kit provides a multifunction experience with gloves and connectors. It offers wide coverage, significantly reducing your washing time. If you like a complete and easy-to-use car wash solution, then this is the one for you. What people say. The foam cannon is easy to set up and use. It produces a thick, rich foam that clings to the car's surface. The adjustable nozzle allows for control over the spray pattern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.